Is it the right time to buy or sell QQQ ETF? Today, we're delving deep into QQQ. We previously shared a report on our website on Monday, February 5, 2024. Now, we're here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. To stay updated on our latest analysis, remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell. It's crucial not to miss any important updates that could impact your investments. Improve your trading decisions with the help of our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide. Please keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of January 5, 2024, our system has identified QQQ as a buy candidate with a score of 3.71. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. Throughout this time, QQQ has shown a gain of 7.99%. This indicates an average daily return of 0.38% since it was flagged as a buy candidate. In the short term, the ETF is currently in the upper part of a strong rising trend. This presents a potential selling opportunity for short-term traders as we can expect a reaction towards the lower part of the trend. However, if the price breaks above the top trend line at $429.84, it will indicate a stronger rate of rising. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a potential 13.35% change expected over the next 3 months. This translates to a possible return between 9.36% and 13.72%. Moving on to the 12-month trend, it suggests a 36% change over the next 12 months. This could result in a potential return between 18.9% and 36.32%. In terms of price, this means a range of $509.44 to $584.08 after a year. Our latest update on the QQQ ETF brings you an important headline: QQQ ETF downgraded to buy candidate. On the last trading day, which was Monday, February 5, 2024, the QQQ ETF price experienced a slight decline of -0.131%. It went from $429.01 to $428.45. Throughout the day, the ETF fluctuated by 1.08%, starting from a low of $425 and reaching a high of $429.61. Over the past 10 days, the price has risen in 6 instances, showing an overall gain of 1.59% over the past 2 weeks. Interestingly, the trading volume decreased alongside the ETF, which is actually seen as a positive indication as volume should follow the ETF's movement. Specifically, the trading volume dropped by -19 million shares on the last day, with a total of 40 million shares being bought and sold, amounting to approximately $16.95 billion in value. Looking at the past 52 weeks, we see that the highest price the ETF reached was $430.24, while the lowest price was $285.19. Currently, the price is 0.42% or $1.79 below the 52-week high of $430.24. It's worth noting that this 52-week high also represents the all-time high for the ETF. Let's take a look at the signals for QQQ. The QQQ ETF is showing positive signals. Both short and long-term moving averages suggest a buy, indicating a favorable forecast for the stock. Additionally, the relation between these two signals shows a general buy signal, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In case of any downward corrections, there is support at $424.80 and $412.61. However, if the stock breaks below these levels, sell signals will be issued. Furthermore, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, also indicates a buy signal. It's important to note that there have been some negative signals as well, which could impact the near-term development. For instance, a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Friday, February 2, 2024, resulting in a decline of -0.131% so far. It is anticipated that the stock will continue to fall until a new bottom pivot is found. On the last trading day, volume decreased along with the price. This reduces the overall risk, as volume should closely follow price movements. Today, we'll explore some interesting signals in the stock market. Let's start with the moving average convergence divergence, which is currently showing a buy signal. Another signal worth noting is the pivots, which indicated a sell signal 2 days ago. Bollinger Bands, on the other hand, provided a buy signal 8 days ago. The short-term moving average also gave a buy signal 3 days ago. However, the long-term moving average signaled a sell 23 days ago. Looking at the 12-month chart, we can see that the short moving average generated a buy signal 21 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average indicated a buy signal 64 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 51 days ago. If you want to explore more signals, make sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for QQQ. QQQ has found support from accumulated volume at $421.18. This level presents a potential buying opportunity as we can expect an upward reaction when the support is tested. This ETF is known for its good trading volume and experiences minor daily changes, resulting in relatively low risk. In the last day, the ETF had a price range of $4.61, 1.08%, between its high and low points. Over the past week, the average daily volatility has been 1.23%. Let's start by discussing some important fundamental data before we explore potential good trading levels for QQQ. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. A lower PE ratio may suggest a lack of optimism for the company's future or an undervalued stock, presenting a potential buying opportunity. Today, we'll be discussing some potential day trading levels for QQQ. If the market is on an upward trend, the first resistance level for QQQ is at $429.01. If you're not currently holding any shares, it might be wise to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those who are already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the other hand, if the market takes a downturn, QQQ encounters its first support level at $421.18. If this support level holds, it could potentially be a good entry point, as you can anticipate a rebound. We recommend setting the stop loss at $412.64, representing a decrease of 3.69%. This ETF exhibits low daily movements, which translates to lower risk for investors. Additionally, we have observed a sell signal from a pivot top that occurred 1 day ago. Is the QQQ ETF a good investment? Based on several short-term signals and a positive overall trend, we believe there may be a buying opportunity for the QQQ ETF. However, we have downgraded our analysis conclusion from a strong buy to a buy candidate due to some minor weaknesses in the technical picture since our last evaluation. After analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, February 6th, we anticipate the QQQ ETF to open down by $0.763 and start trading at $427.69. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. It's always a good idea to consult a financial advisor before making any decisions to buy or sell securities. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to our channel, Stock Invest. Today, we'll be discussing our current view of the stock. We value your opinion, so don't forget to comment below and share your thoughts. We'd love to know your target for the ETF as well. If you enjoy this content, remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more updates. Our team wishes you successful trading and a beautiful day. Thank you for being here.